Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Myself Ashfaq, and in today's video I will show you how to host the N8N on your local system. The first thing, you need to install the Node.js on your local system. Download the Node.js setup file from here and install it on your local system. Once Node.js is installed in your local system, open the PowerShell in admin mode. Give the command node-v, which will show the current Node.js version installed in your system. Then give the command npm-v. You might get this type of warning, which means you need to set the environment variable in your local system. For that, run the command and then give the command to install the N8N. Once an N8N installation has been completed, just type the command N8N and hit enter. And then you can access the N8N with this link, localhost colon 5678. Enter your details to register, and once your registration has been completed, you will get the community edition key onto your email ID. Once you have received the key, you need to go to your account setting, usage and plan, and then enter here the key to get your local N8N running. That's it for today, friends. Hope you like this video helpful. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.